To deposit a check at a Wells Fargo ATM, start by locating a Wells Fargo ATM near you. Make sure you have your Wells Fargo debit or ATM card and the check you want to deposit. Ensure the check is properly endorsed by signing your name on the back. Begin by inserting your card into the ATM and entering your PIN. Select the deposit option from the menu and choose the account where you want to deposit the check. The ATM will then prompt you to insert the check. Place the check into the deposit envelope provided or directly into the ATM if it has a check deposit slot. The ATM will scan the check and display the amount on the screen. Verify that the amount is correct and confirm the deposit. The ATM will then provide you with a receipt and update your account balance. It is essential to keep the receipt as proof of the deposit until the funds are available in your account. Wells Fargo typically makes deposited funds available on the next business day, but this may vary depending on the type of check and your account status. To avoid any issues, ensure the check is properly filled out and endorsed, and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any potential fees. It is also a good idea to review your account statement regularly to ensure the deposit was processed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check at a Wells Fargo ATM. Always review the ATM screen carefully and verify the deposit amount before completing the transaction. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance.